Hey guys, you're here live with MVI, and today we bring to you a 2024 Chevy Silverado. This one does not have the front camera mounted on the grill, as you can see here, and that's what we're going to do today. All right, let's go ahead and climb on in the truck here and check out the factory system as it is right now. As you can see, we've got the factory 13.4-inch display. This is called the IOK option code. So any trucks with this option code right here, the 13.4-inch screen, will accommodate this camera system we're about to add. As you can see, we've got the factory set up here. No camera icons, etc. Just the factory screen as is. We're going to go ahead and add the camera to. This is the camera module you will be installing. It is simply plug and play. The module will simply plug into the factory radio module that sits at the right kick panel up above, and we'll simply tee into the big Molex connectors with the supplied T-harness as shown in the picture above. As you can see, the module is designed to bolt right to the floorboard, nice and factory looking. This does provide an end result, tucked up there nice and neat, nice and factory looking. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've got the front camera installed, and it sits in there looking nice and perfect, ready to go. We are back in the truck now. We're going to let this factory system boot up, get going. As you can see, we got the factory interface just like before. Nothing's changed. Right next to the tune or volume knob is the home button. Press and hold that guy. It is going to pull up the camera menu. Go ahead and agree to that. As you can see, we got all our icons on the screen. So if you wanted to add the different ones, you can, but we added the front only on this truck. And as you can see, we've got crystal clear HD image. Okay, so we're going to go back to the home screen here, and I want to show you the settings menu. Press that icon in the upper right. This allows you to check the front camera to trigger automatically in a parking situation. So you can have this set to trigger on speed up and slow down. Again, in a parking situation, only works up to 8 miles per hour, and then it will shut off automatically. So there you go, guys. HD crystal clear front camera added to 22 and up Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. For more information, shoot us a message. The best way to reach us, gm-navigation.com.